You are bleeding $300 a month on tools that run on open weights anyway. I replaced my entire automation stack with a local server costing less than a coffee. Here is the arbitrage. Most creators are stuck paying the SaaS tax. You subscribe to Zapier, ChatGPT Plus, and specialized agent platforms. They bundle open-source models and charge you a premium for the UI. It is inefficiency masked as convenience. Every month you renew, you are funding their growth instead of your own infrastructure. The margins are obscene, and you are the product. I tracked my usage. My previous stack cost $280 monthly. The new local system costs 0.10 per day in electricity and serverless compute. This is not theory. I replicated complex workflows using local orchestration. The performance gap has closed. You are paying for brand names, not better technology. The arbitrage is real and it is waiting for you. You do not need a supercomputer. You need a bare minimum setup to run AI agents locally. A modest GPU or even CPU inference works for most automation tasks. We use containerized environments to keep it clean. No bloatware, no telemetry. Just the weights and the logic. This lowers the barrier to entry for solo builders significantly. Here is the insider secret. An ex-Manus lead stopped using function calling entirely. Standard API function calling is expensive and latency-heavy. We use guided generation with open weights instead. It is faster, cheaper, and gives you full control over the output structure. The industry standard is bloated. We are stripping it back to raw efficiency. No, replacing Zapier means building simple serverless functions. You connect your local LLM to webhooks. It triggers actions based on context, not rigid rules. This is a 45-minute no-code build that saves you hundreds annually. You own the logic. If the service dies, your automation survives. Dependency is the enemy of longevity in this game, so data privacy is not just ethics. It is leverage. When you host locally, your data never leaves your machine. No training on your secrets, no third-party access. This matters for enterprise clients too. You can pitch self-hosted solutions as a premium security feature. You turn a cost center into a selling point. Privacy pays dividends. Or, this is how you become a solo unicorn. One person building complex integrated systems without the overhead. You keep the margins. You control the stack. You move faster than teams bogged down by procurement and API limits. The tools exist today. The only variable left is your willingness to abandon the comfort of rented software. Stop watching tutorials and start deploying. The gap between watching and doing is where the money is lost. Download the weights. Set up the server, break things, fix them. That is the only way to learn arbitration. Theory keeps you poor. Execution builds empires. Your basement server is waiting to print money. Stop letting SaaS companies tax your innovation. Build your own stack and keep the profits. Like and subscribe for more.